connect a database to Excel. You can do this. You can follow the block here. So I create a new flow. I give any name, right? Database to Excel. Click create. From action, I go to database, drag the open connection, SQL connection to the row here. I will click this button. I will choose SQL 11 next. I will say localhost. Window authenticated. Not in database. Okay. Save. Execute. SQL 7. Select. Or that name. Unit lines from product. Save. Then I can close instance, SQL instance, save. Then I will go to Excel, launch Excel with a blank document. This is a variable, save. I want to write to Excel. Okay, listen, I'll write the value of the query result. Select. I just want the first one and the first 7 first row and save. And I will now close my Excel. Then I want to save the document. Then I give it the path. Data nothing, for example, dot X there, right? Paste there. I just want to run this. Run. Okay, take a while to launch Excel. It's the timing here. The first time the Excel will take a while to run. You can see 77 row here. You can see 2 columns here. And this is a variable for the SQL connection. Okay. Opening the Excel. Okay, open, right, close. Okay. Yep. So now you can go or up, open here, go to the data. Here you see the login is here. Okay.